Hello guys, this is Miwako from Little Kumi Crafts. On today's video, I'm going to make a review and an unboxing of the Genos Super Removable Edition Nendroid 645. This was a pre-order from Tokyo Otaku Mode. And I'm super excited to open this. He looks very adorable. This came like 2 days ago or 1 day ago. I'm just super excited to open this. Like I said, I bought this from Tokyo Otaku Mode. This is the receipt. I bought this on June 28th of the last year. And this was, as you can see, Nendroid One Punch Man Genos pre-order. So it was 44 bucks. Yep, this was the total. And it came 1 or 2 days ago. I love Genos. I'm so happy that it came. I have Saitama Nendroid. I also made a review of it, an unboxing a month ago. I wait a lot for this one. You can see here, it's pretty cute with all the pieces here. This is the side of the box. Until here. See if the camera is focused. And on the back, this one looks so funny, and I really wanna use this pose. That's gonna look awesome. So this is the top. So, it's closed. Let's use some scissors to open this. Let's start unboxing here. Let's be careful with this. Whoops. Let's put this box on this side. And here are the pieces. How to attach the body. I don't normally read the instructions. These are all the pieces. Angry face, damaged face, his fire guns. I don't know how the flame effects. I don't know the name of it. Now this is very funny. Oh, it's like a potato. I don't know if you can tell. It's a potato running. Oh, that's quite funny. And here's the cute Genos. Oh, it has also different arms. Over here, the broom. Yeah, some stuff. I don't know if you can see here. It's so adorable. Oh. Here we have the base. Here we have its face. Also has his earrings. Quite funny. This is his other face. It's like a damaged face. You know, he gets too many. He gets bullied a lot. Looks pretty nice. So here are his fire effects. I don't know the name of it, but they look pretty awesome. Here we have the broom. It's so funny. Here we have his apron. I don't know if you can tell the potato head. Now that looks so funny. We also have, before showing off Genos, here we have the arms. Oops. Let's take them out of here. We have four hands, 2 sets of hands. And what is this? I don't know what's this. We have the hands over here, left and right. I don't know if you can see. It's very hard to see from the camera. So 2 right and 2 left hands. That's what we have here. Now it's time for Genos. Look at this cutie. I love Genos. Oh my gosh, look at the hair. It's so very detailed. Oh, his face is... oh my gosh, I'm scared of breaking this. It's been a long time since I got a Nendroid. Yes, we have the bottom on the head. No, my poor Genos. Oh, it's on the head. How do I unattach this? This looks horrible. I don't like this at all. Do you take his fringe out first or... okay, so... oh wow, I love the hair. It's very detailed. So in total we have 3 faces: the regular Genos face, the damaged or broken Genos, and the angry Genos. So I'm gonna look again how his face look like. So you attach this, like, how do you attach this again? Forgot. Ugh. I don't wanna mess this up. Oh, okay. Like this. Oh my gosh, he looks so ugly. Yeah, so this looks like a Lego. This is my second Nendroid. The first one was Saitama. The face and the painting is awesome. Love all the details on his hair, and the eyes are perfect. Even his tiny earrings. Let's look at the body. Let's look at the armor on his hands. You can move it like this. You can move it, turn it around. That's nice. Let's see the hand. It's over here too. You can move his hand. This part as well. This part no. The head, a little bit here. His legs, turn it like this. This part as well. See if his let's see if his shoes also can change them. So he looks like a little kid, like this. Now this pose is actually cute. Let's try with the base. Just few pieces. Okay. Oh, they changed a piece of this. So we have the normal square base with the holes. We have this black part, and we have this. So let's see how it was. I actually forgot. So here we have the base all assembled. You just attach this big part and just press it like this, and you have it. Now here's the where you have to attach it. Let's see. Turn it like this, and we have the adorable Genos on his base. He looks so cool. He's so adorable. Yay! I'm so happy I finally got him. Now he can be company for Saitama. They look so cool. He's a little bit more taller than Saitama because of the hair. So now we have Genos and Saitama. Yeah. Sushi. Oh, Genos. I love Genos. He's so dumb and cute. I love the design of Genos overall. I made an unboxing video for Saitama if you wanna watch it. It was months ago. You can see here. Genos, they look very awesome. Let's start changing Genos. Let's see. Let's put this face with some fire, or this face. Oops. Or this face. Which one will look better? Here on the box we had different options. You can see here on the angry face with the fire blast, or however it's called. Weak Genos, so sad. Fighting pose. Regular Genos. The cleaning Genos. Oh, that was a note, and that was a pen. Oh my gosh, that can be easily. I was about to throw them away because I thought they were just small pieces of plastic, but no. Oh my gosh. If I'm not careful enough, I would have thrown them away. I'm so dumb. So let's try the fire one, because that's something new for me. Let's start changing the pose. Let's take his arm out of here. Oh, poor Genos. Let's make the blast. It already has the hands attached to the fire blast. So it's a very easy setup. It's very easy. Yep. It looks like. Oh. Oh. Just like this. It's like it's flying or something like that with his fire. Attack. Oh yeah. Like the picture. How it, I don't know. How is this? Okay. It's kind of tricky. Oh, I disassembled the arms. These are the only harms that came. You cannot move this part, so that sucks. How do you do this? Oh my god. I think it's like this. It's like, now this is the other hand. Oh Jesus. Sorry, Genos. So sorry. It's very hard, you know. It's very fragile. Like, I cannot get. I'm trying to do this pose. It's kind of hard. It disassembles very easily. This part, like one little pull and it's out. I don't like that. But yeah, I wanted to pull his arm, but I cannot seem to do it. Oh, I finally see. You really can move this part. It was like stuck. You had to, you see? You had to pull it. See, it was stuck. So now it looks more like the Genos pose. Yes. Now it is. Yeah. Oh boy. Change a little bit his leg. And assemble on the base. It looks pretty cool. Let's say that Saitama is waiting. Genos, what are you doing? Looks pretty cool. Huh. Stupid Genos. I love this pose. This looks so cool. This looks pretty cool, but I really hope that this was more secure. Like I said before, I pulled this out very slightly, and it came off too fast. So I wish this was more secure. So for his last pose, I'm gonna put him on the maid outfit. Let's start by taking everything out again. So, see, I think you have to remove his head. No, it wasn't the head. It was, I think it was, yes. It was this part. It goes like this. And then it goes the front part. Ooh. I guessed it very well. Ugh, have to pull. Oh, it looks so funny. Oh, it's so adorable. Let's take a zoom. He looks so adorable. Now let's change the hands and put the ones for the broom. It's like this is for this part, and the other one I assume is this one as well. I think. Let's take the broom. Ah. Oh, Jesus. This is so tricky. You have to move every little piece of the hand. It's very, very tricky. So it was this part and this. Wow, it's so cute. Who doesn't love Genos cleaning the house? Now it looks more like the box. He looks so adorable next to Saitama. Genos can be a superhero. Yeah! Oh, he looks so adorable! Oh my gosh! Genos looks so cute! Let's see with... They look so funny. It's like something is weird and missing. I think I had to use this. I think this is why it came with Genos, in case you needed to change the head. I think this is this part. That's why it's still moving, but this is just for show. But Genos looks so adorable with the Saitama outfit. I think that it will be so awesome to just buy another Saitama just for the body part and have Saitama and Genos wearing the same outfit. That would be so funny and cool. So guys, what do you think about this unboxing? I love this Nendroid a lot. He's so adorable, as you can see here on Saitama outfit. He looks awesome no matter on what outfit he is. I'm very satisfied with this Nendroid. I think I'm really loving it. I wish I would leave him like this, but you know, Saitama is having some troubles with the apron on the head. It looks kind of weird on him. But yeah, this is the review for the Nendroid of Genos. I hope you like the video or have some fun, and I hope to make more unboxing videos in the future. So I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Bye.